Assalamualaikum and a very good day everyone. My name is Nurul Ain binti Anrizam. My matrix number is 272559 and I will be presenting on BJMP2033 assignment individual and I will be explaining about autonomous vehicle. So, let's go through to our table of contents where I will start with the introductions first and I will be explaining several contents that I made and I will end it with a simple conclusion. So, let's start with the introduction. So, what is an autonomous vehicle? An autonomous vehicle is a vehicle that can operate and execute several activities without any human involvement were required. An autonomous vehicle can drive anywhere and as far as they can as a human driver goes on a traditional vehicles, or we can call it as a self-driving vehicles. Alright, now we know some basic things about autonomous vehicle. So, how does autonomous vehicle work? Autonomous vehicles rely on sensors and they have a software which they are depending on some mechanisms like sensors, machine learning system, some complex algorithms and processes to execute the software into the vehicle. Next, autonomous vehicles have a radar sensors that it will be put into a position which it will be function to the vehicle to map the surroundings and detect the locations of the nearby vehicles that will approach them. And last but not least, autonomous vehicles have sophisticated softwares that it will plot a path and send instructions to the car actuators that will control the car to accelerate, brake and steering. Next, the benefits and purpose of autonomous vehicles is to reduce traffic congestion that many countries has faced a problem right now. Autonomous vehicles also can improve human walkability and livability. And autonomous vehicles also opens the free up parking and most importantly is to reduce urban carbon dioxide emissions by 80% worldwide. And right now, I would like to show you some of the top companies that produce autonomous vehicles such as Tesla, Audi, Google, Toyota, Nissan and many more such as Mercedes or BMW that will soon introduce their autonomous vehicles in the next years or in the futures. Okay, next, what are the autonomous vehicles process strategies? Autonomous vehicle use mass production as the vision of the future autonomous vehicle is gonna be sellable. So a mass production is a must in order to achieve targeted sales as they will commercial the product continuously. Autonomous vehicles has the potential to be on roads widely by the next 5 years and counting as they are always be driven by the latest technology, latest and new technology, so the sale will not be replenished for a long time. Furthermore, by manufacturing in a standardized way by establishing a production line and processes, it will reduce the cost and it will improve the stability. And last but not least, autonomous vehicles has a limitless production as they already are developing softwares and having a full validation and verification. So yes, it will continue the production of autonomous vehicles to the next few years ahead. Next is the autonomous vehicle supply chain management. So, to manufacture the vehicle, firstly, hardware model design and verification will be made. Next is to test the production, car conversion and the final assembly. But before the vehicles is ready to use, overall quality inspection and offline calibration will be made before the vehicle is ready to be road testing by the users. And as for the autonomous vehicle quality management principle, process approach will be used to make the whole system more controllable via the linkage between the processes, and the customer satisfaction is vital to design, implement and to maintain the company's quality management system. So this will help the company to improve the understanding of the process that will align to the customer metrics to the organization activities, which it purposely to the company to pay attention to the customer satisfaction. So, throughout the processes, by providing a basis for continual improvement, is will be made to meet the customer objectives and needs. Now, as you can see here, the process mapping shows that the process transforms the input into output, which the input is the customer requirements and the output is customer satisfaction. And to conclude my presentation, autonomous vehicle is able to provide certain advantages compared to human-driven vehicles to promote safety on the road, which we got so many deaths every year, and autonomous vehicles will help them to decrease the number of the casualties and to support a more healthy and green environment for our future children, which is the best solution that we can work on. So, and that's all from me. Thank you for lending your ears.